My name is Cameron Amstutz. I'm the general manager at City Indian Motorcycles here in Nashville, Tennessee. So the motorcycle that we actually chose to work with for the Boy Scouts of America is going to be the new 2016 Indian Motorcycle Scout. We're customizing it with a new set of tins. We took the old tins off the motorcycle. We custom painted it for the Boy Scouts of America, utilizing the Indian, Polaris, as well as Boy Scout badging.
I'm honored to do this bike. We've got the Boy Scout patchwork, which has the eagle in it, and we are going to be doing a hand airbrushed eagle on top of the tank, which will be the biggest part of the gas tank. And I hope we do it justice.
Let's ride.